How to change language on RedNote. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on this video, we will learn how we can change language on RedNote. So without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the RedNote application and make sure that you're logged in with your RedNote account. So once you're on your home page, navigate to top left corner. There is an hamburger icon. Tap on it. Now from here, tap on Settings from the bottom left corner. Once you're on the Settings, tap on General Settings option. And once you're here, on the Display section, there at the first is the Language option. Tap on it. So these are the available languages on RedNote. Here, select your preferred language, then tap on Save button at the top right. And with that, your language will be changed on RedNote application. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.